In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages on Shopify. Updated tutorial. We'll walk through creating a new page from your Shopify admin, choosing the right layout, and saving your work so it's ready to use on your store. This is perfect for pages like About, FAQ, Shipping Info, or a simple contact page. Start by opening your Shopify admin. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Online Store. That section controls the look and structure of your website, and it's where you'll find your pages, blog posts, and theme settings. Inside Online Store, click Pages. This area lists all the static pages on your site. If you're just getting started, it might be empty or only have a few basics. Either way, this is the hub for adding and managing informational pages your customers can visit. Next, click Add Page. This opens the page editor, where you'll set up everything for your new page. At the top, click into the title field and give your page a clear, descriptive name. Keep it simple and customer-friendly. Titles like About Us, Contact, or Returns. Policy help visitors quickly find what they need. Below the title, click into the content editor. Here you can type your text, add images, or paste in information you've prepared elsewhere. Use the formatting toolbar to add headings, bullet points, and links to make your content easy to read. If you're planning to use a built-in template, it's fine to keep this area minimal. Scroll to the Theme Template section. By default, Shopify usually selects the option called Default Page. This is a clean, general-purpose layout that works for most informational pages. Click it to view the available templates in the dropdown. If you're building a contact page, choose the template labeled Contact. That template automatically adds a contact form to the page, so you can keep the content brief and let the form do the work. When you're happy with the title, content, and template selection, click Save. Saving publishes your changes to the page record in your admin, and from here you can preview how it looks on your storefront. If anything needs tweaking, like spacing, headings, or a typo, come back to this editor, adjust, and save again. That's it. You've created a new page, selected the layout that fits your goal, and saved it so it's ready to go live on your site. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by